Hi everyone, it's Cecilia here from Lordhair, and I'm here to introduce one of our newest products, the S8. The S8 is a hair system that's very light, breathable, durable, and easy to attach and clean. And here is why. So here the base, as you can see, it's composed by two materials. So here in the top and front we have French lace. French lace is a very light and soft and breathable material. So if you are from a very warm country or you do a lot of sport, this is definitely the hair system for you because it allows your scalp to breathe. Right here in back and sides we have this thin layer of skin, which makes it super easy to attach and clean. What makes this hair system very durable actually is this double layer of hand-sewn French lace here in the front. But what we are all looking for is actually the front hairline. So here, what makes this front hairline completely undetectable and natural is actually the bleached knots. So here, basically, the hair at the base have been bleached. So some more information about this hair system product. It comes with medium hair density instead of medium light hair density, which is what we mostly suggest to men. But if you're looking for a hair density that's higher than the average, then this is definitely the piece for you. It's available in different base sizes. So we have it for 6x8, 6x9, 7x9, 7x10 and 8x10 inches. This is all for now from Lordhair. I hope you enjoyed this product. If you liked it, you can find it on sale on our website at www.lordhair.com, and we remind you that it's available for immediate shipment and we guarantee a 30-day money back. If you need any further information, you can contact our client support service by emailing support@lordhair.com. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.
Lordhair, for a better you.